come today in front of me HTC Desire 628 and I'll show you how to enable or disable the blink feed on this device. So first you should hold for a while your screen and then tap here to add apps and widgets. Now just select the blink feed section, hold for a while and drag it here to the remove icon. And now just tap there, and by this way, as can you see, we just turn off the blink feed on our device. And also if you want to turn on again the blink feed, tap here again to add apps and widgets and tap here plus to add the blink feed. And now just as can you see, our blink feeds are activated. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.